2004 Dodge Ram 1500 single cab or regular cab 5.7 V8 with a 77,000 miles, rust free. This is a sport truck and it's rust free. You can see it's from North Carolina and well maintained, single owner owned, and this truck is nice, very nice, and it's super cool, and runs and drives great. It changed the fog light bulbs to LED, and it looks super cool too. And it has very nice, most expensive tires for this truck, the Michelin tires, and almost new. This is a 20-inch factory rim with a Michelin new tires, and you can see this is a single cab, dual exhaust, and HEMI powered, super cool truck. This is the Laramie package, and I believe the truck bed ceiling is called a Rhino truck bed ceiling, and the truck bed gate have some things. Obviously this is a pickup truck, it being used, but overall it's very clean and never been abused, and it used all the good parts, and looks, shines, and runs great. This will be on lowmilecars.com, and take a look at the interior. We just got the leather seat redone on the driver's side. It was a little dry and had some cracks, and we had it redone. So the driver's seat now looks great, and the passenger seat looks in good condition, but yeah, it's not new. The driver's seat is new. Okay, and Infinity stereo system, and because the fog light bulbs been changed, so it shows a lamp out warning light, but all the lights work. We checked that, and CD stereo, and steering wheel controls for the stereo is on the back, like most Chrysler vehicles. And let's go drive a little bit. Oh, look, what's the temperature today? 15 degrees, but actually it's lower than that when you staying outside. All right. And I noticed this truck have a very short turning radius. Okay. We are going to do some updates on the front suspension on the vehicle. Our mechanic recommended front wheel bearing hubs, I think ball joints, so we are going to change them, and but overall the engine, it's a HEMI. Yes, it's a super cool truck to drive, and it's very simple, not a lot of new technology, and it's just a simple cool truck and easy to maintain, and most of the people and keep up with this truck. You can have many years use of this super cool truck, and it will be on lowmilecars.com. lowmilecars.com. A lot of cars today, and go drive back. And the dual exhaust system shots very fun, but not super loud, just a very low humming exhaust note. Yes, lowmilecars.com.